Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the life of one of the most iconic figures in Philippine entertainment. A true legend who's captured our hearts with her timeless grace, undeniable talent, and remarkable career. We're talking about none other than the amazing Helen Gamboa. From her days as a beauty queen to being dubbed the dancing queen of Philippine cinema, and later as a powerful presence on both the small and big screen, Helen's journey is nothing short of inspiring. But it's not just her impressive career we'll be celebrating today. We'll also explore her incredible family life, her unforgettable rules, and how she continues to leave a lasting impact on the entertainment industry. So sit back, relax, and let's take a closer look at the life of Helen Gamboa, a true Filipino icon. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Helen Gamboa Soto, a multifaceted Filipino talent, is celebrated for her career as an actress, singer, dancer, and former beauty queen. Known for her grace and versatility, Gamboa has become a household name in the Philippine entertainment industry, with a career spanning decades. Ipinanganak si Helen bilang Helen Albent Gamboa noong May 7, 1945 sa Maternity and Children's Hospital sa Santa Cruz, Manila. Siya ay anak ni Domingo Ponce Gamboa at Eusebia Pangilinan Albent. Si Helen ay kapatid ni Elaine Gamboa, ang ina ng kilalang aktres na si Sharon Cuneta. Ang personal na buhay ni Gamboa ay kapansin-pansin din gaya ng kanyang professional. Siya ay kasal sa aktor, komedyante, TV host at politiko na si Tito Soto. Together, they have 4 children: Romina, Frances, Lala, Gian, Carlo, and Shara. The couple is also blessed with 8 grandsons and 2 granddaughters. Tragically, their son Vincent Paul passed away shortly after birth in 1975 due to complications related to contraceptive side effects, as diagnosed by doctors at the Makati Medical Center. Before diving into the world of television and film, Gamboa's charm and poise caught the eye of many, and in 1961, she was a runner-up in the Miss Press Photography of the Philippines contest, losing by a point to Cynthia Ogalde. Noong huling bahagi ng dekada 1960, nakuha niya ang titulong Dancing Queen ng Philippine cinema at mga musical sa telebisyon. Isang titulong hawak niya bago pa man ilabas ang sikat na ABBA na kanta na may parehong pangalan noong 1976. Helen made her mark in Philippine showbiz during the early years, but after a period of absence from the limelight, she made a memorable return to television. Her comeback began in 2001 with a role in the ABS-CBN primetime series, Sa Dulo ng Walang Hanggan. The show ran until 2003, marking her initial return to the small screen. In 2009, Gamboa made an official comeback to ABS-CBN primetime television in the hit series Tayong Dalawa, where she portrayed the antagonist Elizabeth Martinez. The series became a massive success, and Gamboa's performance was widely praised for adding depth to the show's ensemble cast. In 2012, after a 2-year hiatus, she joined the cast of the immense popular drama Walang Hanggan, where she played the formidable Margaret Montenegro, another antagonist role that solidified her place as one of the most respected actresses in the country. Her dedication to the craft was also evident when in 2012, lumahok siya sa konsyerto ng walang hanggang pasasalamat sa Smart Araneta Coliseum, na nagtanghal ng viral na Gangnam Style na sayaw na nagpapakita ng kanyang patuloy na koneksyon sa pop culture. In 2017, Gamboa made her return to GMA Network after 21 years, starring as Lolita Honorio in the fantasy comedy series Super Mom. This role marked another comeback for Gamboa, further solidifying her status in Philippine television, where she had been slated to appear in the GMA drama Ako Pa Rin Ang Bukas in 2013. Health reasons led her to step down from the role, but her return to the network in 2017 was a significant moment in her career. Gayunpaman, noong 2019, muling bumalik si Gamboa sa ABS-CBN para sa seryeng Kahit Minsan Lang. Sa kasamaang palad, ang proyekto ay naantala ng walang katiyakan dahil sa pandemya ng COVID-19 at kalaunan ay pinalitan si Gamboa ni Gina Parinio sa isa pang paparating na serye, Ikaw Lang Ang Iibigin. Helen Gamboa Soto's career remains a testament to her versatility as an artist. From her days as the dancing queen of Philippine musicals to her significant roles in modern television dramas, she continues to be a beloved figure in Filipino entertainment. Beyond her impressive on-screen achievements, she is also a dedicated mother and grandmother with a family legacy that intertwines with her own, particularly in the realm of public service and entertainment. Gamboa's journey through the ever-evolving landscape of Philippine entertainment is not just a story of personal success, but one of resilience, talent, and the enduring power of a true Filipino icon. Thank you very much for watching. And according to a famous quote, be stubborn about your goals, but flexible about your methods. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, photocredits2, tempo.com.ph, and inspirational quote credits2, pinterest.com.